Hey everyone, this is just a quick video to kind of explain the process I took to make Alien Carbon's new logo. I was making this on cast acrylic, and I'm going to go ahead and insert that later on in the video in an LED base. It's pretty cool. Now, a few things that I messed up on that I learned from that I hopefully can help you guys out with for your future projects is I forgot to take the tape off of this acrylic. Typically I don't because I'm just doing small things like keychains, as you can see at those holes at the top there. But for this specific project, I should have taken the darn tape off because as you can see with that checkerboard 3D pattern, it was a pain in the ass to get off. So remember to do that. The next thing I didn't do is I didn't tape the acrylic down. I thought it was heavy enough. I'm not sure if the acrylic shifted or if the laser cutter kind of had a hiccup there, but you'll see in a bit when I start to cut the alien head out of the acrylic, the actual cut, not the engraving, it's a little bit off. It's okay for this project, and I'll probably make another one later for Alien Carbon, but this was just kind of a tester. It's another good suggestion. Probably do a test on wood or something cheap first, just to make sure it all works out. You'll see why in a bit. Here's the cut here. The bottom side, as you can see, is a little bit off, but the top is right on. I wanted that cut to be right on the alien's head, and something happened in there to make it off. Another thing I want you to kind of notice is the picture. The alien's head is 3D. There's a kind of a checkerboard pattern there. When you see me peel off the stickers, there will not be that checkerboard pattern. Every laser engraver is going to be different. My engraver, I did this engraving at 14% power. Sorry, I haven't installed the other measurement tool yet, but I should have done about 16% power. As you can see here, this is just me kind of taking off the stickers, kicking myself that I didn't do this beforehand. Back looks great, but this is going to be trouble to get off. So this is kind of what I did for the next 30 minutes or so, trying to peel all this off. I kind of do it off camera though. It gets kind of hard. I ended up just kind of using my fingernail to scrape it off. It didn't damage the acrylic too bad, but it still wasn't ideal. Definitely something I want to work on for the next time. So yeah, as you can see here, it was supposed to be perfect. I used my calipers, I measured everything right, but something during cutting made the cut off, and it was right at the end, I think. So anyway, I'm not going to waste this. I'm just going to use my multi-tool Dremel here and shave off a little bit and make it fit. Now I'm kind of actually glad this happened because it ended up, once I got it into the base, it fit so well. I was worried that it might kind of jiggle around if I cut it perfectly to size, but this way I actually might start doing this, adding a couple millimeters to my cut so that I have to use the Dremel, and that gives it a really nice fit. So as you can see here, this is just the kind of the finished product, changing colors. I really like the way it turned out. The one issue that I have is because I had to use my fingernail so much, it's not super clean as I want. Also, because I didn't engrave deep enough, as you can see, many of the lines are just vertical. They're not, we don't get those side to side lines. And that was because I just didn't have enough power going on. So again, some tips kind of to summarize. Make sure you do your cuts kind of first on a test piece, maybe a piece of wood or plywood or something that's not so expensive. Acrylic's not super expensive either, but you know, it takes a lot of time to do this, so might as well do it on something cheap and easy. I was really surprised how nice these LED bases are. You can set them to any color you'd like. You can have them fade colors or quickly blink into different colors, like a lot of LEDs you buy. But these bases are really cool. You can put batteries in them. You can have them plug into USB. So yeah, really cool. I'll put the link down below where I got mine. I got them on eBay, but I've seen them on Amazon and everything. And again, thank you to Alien Carbon for allowing me to help set up their logo and make this for them. They make some really cool rings. I'll put the link down below as well. Thanks again, guys, for watching. Hope this is fun for you and informative. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos like this, so if you're interested, give me a follow. Thanks.